Definitely a must do in Mallorca. A must do in Mallorca is taking a boat tour. Pura Vida, Mallorca. All right, what's up DVW fam? We are currently in Mallorca, Spain right now. It looks beautiful as you guys can see, and we are actually at Port Andratx, one of the ports where you guys could take sailboat tours, private charter tours. You guys rent jet skis, a lot of maritime activities you can do here. It's one of the reasons why I came to this island. The boat tours look stunning here, and we're about to hop on one of the best boat tours in this video, so stay tuned. We got a little private charter and we're gonna check out Port Andratx and Mallorca. Look at these views, guys. Super scenic, the architecture, all the houses, you know, snuggled up along that little hill mountain. Looks amazing here in Mallorca. So yeah, let's explore. All right, so we're at Port Andratx right now. Gonna find our private charter boat. This dock is loaded with boats. Let's go. All right, let's hop on the boat, guys. All right, what's up DVW fam? So we're currently in Mallorca right now on the Pura Vida sailboat. It's one of the best sailboats here on Puerto Andratx in Mallorca. We got the captain here. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
David and Patricia. They're gonna be taking care of us today, so we're gonna give you guys a full grand tour of Mallorca.
We're gonna go first sailing, and we're gonna take a little bath, and then we're gonna go to find the sun to see the amazing sunset in the Port Andratx.
All right guys, not all boats are created equal. We're gonna check out Pura Vida right now. It looks very nice right here. Ooh, some red seats right here. You could fit a lot of people here. So you could have some parties here if you guys want to. This boat is especially private for us today, so, and you guys, so you guys will be joining us along. But yeah, pretty nice, spacious, comfortable boat, relaxing. All right, this boat is huge. So the top is not the only part. Little kitchen area and an actual bed too. Yeah, this place is very spacious. There's a downstairs area too. Really like the sailor decorations right here. Pretty nice couch, could double as a bed. This is a pretty fire boat, guys. This is the Pura Vida.
In this cabin, okay?
All right, Percy, the captain, is ready to go. All right, so the boat is taking off, so gotta wave to the people on the dock. Goodbye, everyone. All right, guys, so boat's taking off, fresh breeze in the air. I was talking to David here. He was telling me that I'm starting off with a bang with the best part of Mallorca here at Port Andratx because my flight just got in. So yeah guys, it's beautiful. You can see the houses snuggling up on the hillside right there. Very stunning landscapes and sceneries. This is Mallorca, guys. Look at this, crazy beautiful. All right guys, look at these hills. Wow, the architecture. This boat is really top notch, guys. It's like, I'll say like a Mercedes of a boat or something like that. I feel like lounging down here and just falling asleep. This boat can hold 12 people, 2 crew members, and yeah, if you guys have a party, definitely celebrate it up here. Guys, Mallorca is stunning. Look at this. Views on views on views. It's beautiful. All right guys, look at me. I'm the captain now. These guys get to see this every day. I'm jealous. This is a beautiful sight right here. All right guys, I'm actually gonna drive this. Oh, we're going around. We're taking a 360 U-turn right now in Mallorca. This is gnarly, guys. I just made that massive circle back there. This is fire, guys. I can see why this is called Pura Vida Sailing. This is truly Pura Vida. Pure life. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh man, they're too sweet. Percy, the captain has beef with another boat.
Okay, we are in Calaegos, okay? This is super wide beach. Everybody coming by boat is in the Tramontana, where all the cliffs and all the mountains in Mallorca are. To me, this is the best part of Mallorca.
All right, guys, so on this tour, the captain takes you to a bunch of hidden gems, really cool spots in Mallorca. This is Tramontana Bay. All right, this is Mallorca, guys. Oh, this is awesome. The captain said that the temperature here is 82 degrees. The sun is going down right now, so there's a breeze, and it's still perfect temperature. Woo! First paddleboarding experience in Mallorca. It was harder than looks. I implore you guys to try. All right, we're in the stage in Mallorca and we're about to find some fishies. Let's go. Amazing. The water temperature is perfect. It's about 82 degrees, David says. And there should be some fish here. Alright guys, got the full 5-star service here at Pura Vida Sailing. They gave us this nice thick towel with the logo on it. Very nice. Patricia gave us a nice shower before we hopped back on the boat, so feel very fresh. That dip in the Mallorcan waters was very refreshing, guys. Beautiful vibes. I think Patty's got it down.
Yeah, baby.
You got it.
Woo!
Round of applause. All right, got the captain patrolling the boat right here. Make sure everything is going to plan.
Yeah.
All right, so we just put up the sails right now, so hopefully the wind picks up and we can catch some waves and some speed, but still enjoying the vibes out here in Mallorca with David back there.
We tried to pick up some wind. We are looking for, and looks like we're gonna have some, just enough to drive the boat. Over there we got another island. This is Dragonera Island.
All right, it's first class service here on Pura Vida Sailing. The captain said after some swimming we need some vitamins, so there's some fruit sticks for us. Muchas gracias, Patricia. Thank you. Wow, look at that. So we're just relaxing in the middle of the ocean right now. We're just going with the motion of the ocean. The sails are up, so we're just using that wind power, just vibing, listening to the ocean. Peacefulness, and to see Dragon Island. That's Dragon Island over there. Yes, it's called Dragonera Island. Dragonera means where the evil resides. That used to be where the pirates would attack. That's what it's called. So pretty cool story. We're going 180 here. This is called attack. Oh, they're letting the sails loose.
Pura Vida!
Wait, if David's here and Patricia's there, Percy's over there, who's driving the boat? No captain! We're just riding with the wind all the way back home to Port Andratx, Mallorca. But guys, wind blowing in my hair. Great 5-star experience at Pura Vida. Needless to say, 10 out of 10 DBW score. The hospitality here is amazing. Definitely one of the best boat tours here in Mallorca. And that is a must when you come to Mallorca. One of the top things to do in Mallorca is to take a boat tour and see the lovely island of Mallorca from the sea. So yeah guys, this is Pura Vida Mallorca. Guys, that was exhilarating. I stood on the top of the boat just for photos. That's some crazy photo ops right there. David guided me to the front and I was at the top of the boat. No safety belts, nothing. And we took some great photos from that boat. So we're trading photos right now. They took some photos of us. We took some photos of them. That was crazy, exhilarating experience. Hello. Hola. This is Mallorca, Spain, guys. This is beautiful. Living that Pura Vida right here. Look at this. This is quite the experience. Mallorca is beautiful. Guys, videos, pictures just does not do this justice. It's one of those things where you gotta be here. Literally, you gotta be here. This is fire. Fuego. Sad that it's ending, but glad that I'm here. That's one of the best boat tours I've had in my life. The Mallorcan scenery is stunning, crazy.
One of the best boat tours you'll ever have.
All right, guys, I like Pura Vida Sailing so much that we're back for part 2 because we did the sunset tour today. We're doing the morning tour. Hopefully the sun is out today. So yeah, we're gonna have different vibes today. So yeah, we're ready to go sailing. Let's do it. Guys, when the sun is hitting it like this, the cliffside with all these beautiful architecture looks crazy, guys. This is Mallorca. Some of the best vibes you guys can get on the island in Andratx at Pura Vida. Fire.
You can jump in there from the rocks and you can go to the Virgin Beach over there, okay? So 3 things to do. Jump in from the rocks, go to visit the cave, and then go to see the Virgin Beach.
Alright guys, I'm gonna do my best dive. Rate it down below. Pura Vida Sailing here. This is a great place to snorkel too. You guys can see a bunch of fish here next to the cave. Yeah, they know the best spots for snorkeling. All right, we're leaving this beautiful cave right now, but we had a great time snorkeling and diving. One of the best spots we've been to in Mallorca. This tour is insane, Pura Vida Sailing. Had to do it twice, the daytime tour, sunset tour is lit. Let's go to the next area. This is the life in Mallorca, turning up. Look at the views, guys. Fire. All right, another stop on this Pura Vida morning trip. Cala Degos right here. Cala is, there's a lot of calas in Mallorca. One of my favorite things to, see and swim here. They're like a little beach wedged between 2, cliffside rocks and really blue waters. It's dope here. Let's dive in and enjoy the Cala Degos on this Pura Vida Sailing Tour. All right, guys, the best tour with David, Pura Vida Sailing.
Oh, thank you.
The best.
You don't need that.
No, the best, guys. All right, guys, so sad to say that our boat tour is ending, but that is the sunset experience here at Pura Vida, Mallorca. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Everything was great. Hospitality was fire. Definitely a must do in Mallorca. A must do in Mallorca is taking a boat tour to see Mallorca from the sea. You guys gotta do that when you guys go to Mallorca, Spain.